We're Brad and Heidi Black.
And we are High Performance.
We've been at this for over 19 years, bringing Texas homeowners the best in roofing, solar, and windows to make your home safer, smarter, and more efficient.
We're a one-stop shop for all home improvement, built for people who want the best, and we're just getting started.
But here's what really sets us apart, our core values. They're not just buzzwords, they're how we get things done, how we innovate, and how we care for our clients, team, and partners. First up, honor. We treat every client like family. No shortcuts, no cut corners. Every project is done with integrity every time.
Innovation. We're your financial allies. We bring you tech that's not just cutting edge, it's the edge. From the Texas-proof roof to solar that saves, we're here to help you protect and transform your biggest investment.
Growth. We believe in creating a lifestyle of opportunity for our team, our clients, and our community. If it's not helping us grow together, it's not high performance.
And last but definitely not least, health. This isn't just about physical well-being. We're all in for your mental, spiritual, relational, emotional, and financial health. We're building homes and elevating lives that thrive. At High Performance, you're not just getting a project done, you're joining a family that's here to support, serve, and celebrate you.
We're proud to be a kingdom-based company driven by purpose and passion. For us, this isn't just a business, this is a mission.
So to our future and current clients, team members, and partners, welcome to the family.
If you want a team that values relationship over transactions, brings high performance solutions with a high performance attitude, we are High Performance.